Hello, this is a quick video overview of week 7. As far as for week 7, you only have one task this week, which is to complete the Grammar Quiz 3. As always, before you actually start this week's task, I do encourage you to print out the weekly checklist, which is located right below week 7's first module. And when you click on the weekly checklist, you'll have this. Again, before you take the Grammar Quiz 3, I highly encourage you to watch all of the instructional videos as well as the handouts and websites that I provide. And also, before you take Grammar Quiz 3, you do have some self-tests that are available to you, which I mentioned here in the checklist and that are labeled kind of self-test. As always, if you have any questions about fragments or if you feel like you need further instruction, feel free to email me and I can always give you other worksheets and other information on fragments. All right, well, I hope you have a wonderful, productive week. I am going to be grading your comparison and contrast essays and returning those to you later in the weekend. And if you haven't gotten a chance to go to the Learning Lab to receive tutoring for your example essay, I highly encourage you to do that so it will benefit your final grade for the example essay and also help prevent those same errors with your next essay. All right, well, I hope you have a wonderful week and I appreciate you viewing this video. Okay, bye. Thank you.